Hello students, class 9th. Let's start our study SS Economics. In economics, second chapter is people as resource. So, people as resource, we will firstly discuss introduction. Okay. People as resource is a way of referring to a country's working people. It means countries working people, active people will come who are giving their service. Okay. And working people means a human beings become working when he have ability. Then, okay, so means people as resource, like the all resources, we human beings also as a resource, and we are also giving our contribution for develop the nation. Okay. As the resource, much more resources as natural resource, soil, water, sunshine, and everything, means as we are also resource for developing, for maintaining our nation, our country. Okay. So means which people is referring as the resource? Working people. Working people means who have availability for doing something, who are giving their best contribution for, means well wishing the nation, for developing the nation. Those peoples will come as the resource. And those people have investment, given their investment much more in their education, health care, and proper in their personality development. If anyone means being educated, healthy, and mentally and physically fit, having means capable for doing their best, then that person will come under to as resource. Otherwise, overages persons and childrens who are dependent, those persons, those family members will not come as the resource. For example, in our family, you know, means in our family having grandfather, grandmother, and mother, father, and your brothers and sisters. Means in this way, grandfather, grandmother, and your brothers and sisters, and you also are dependent upon your mother and father. It means if your mother is working, means not household, and your father is also means working on any sector, then only two candidates in your family having as resource. Okay. Means those peoples will counted under two people as resource, and rest of people as dependent people because they have no earning. Okay. Whatever activity done by men and women for giving their contribution for the nation, means whatever their service works, it's divided into three sectors. Economic activities by men and women divided into three sectors. First one is primary sector. It's belong to much more, means related to farming and agriculture. In primary sector means we are producing raw materials. Okay. Raw materials, as the direct from the nature, if we are doing our activities, it will come under to primary sector. Means in this sector will come husbandry, dairy, poultry farm, farming, and much more, growing the crops, and whatever raw materials if we are means producing here, animals husbandry, and a lot of means related to agriculture, these works, mining, these works, fishing, these works will come under to primary sector. Okay. And next one is secondary sector. Secondary sector, it is means whatever we are getting from primary sector, we will change its form in secondary sector, and much more manufacturing will come under to secondary sector. For example, if sugar cane we are growing in primary sector, then that sugar cane we will change into sugar, and overall that process will come under to secondary sector. Means whatever work running in factories, those work industries, those works will come under to manufacturing. जैसे means for example means cotton is a crop, and that's that cotton, if we will change into form of clothes, that time overall process whatever we have done, it will come under to manufacturing. Okay, it will come under to secondary sector. Okay, next one is tertiary sector. In tertiary sector, whatever means we got from here raw materials, we have changed into complete goods in secondary sector. Those complete goods, by the help of transportation facility, information technology, and much more, these things, road, railway, insurance, banking, accounting, these things, schooling, education sector, healthcare, everything will come under to tertiary sector. Okay, so people means much more expert people's needed, educated people needed in tertiary sector. In primary sector, anyone means maybe engage in primary sector as the farming activities. Okay, and in manufacturing secondary sector having also need some work, knowledge of about the work. Means if anyone will work in factory and industry, then he have to also having some professional training. Okay, but in tertiary sector having need of much more knowledge, education, and training, professional training and expertness, skillful person will be means succeed in tertiary sector. Okay, means these working criteria whatever doing by the men and women, means जो मनुष्य मीन्स औरत और आदमी लोग वर्क करते हैं, सारा वर्किंग क्राइटेरिया 3 सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड किया गया है। प्राइमरी सेक्टर, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर और टर्शियरी सेक्टर। प्राइमरी सेक्टर में किसान लोग आते हैं और डायरेक्ट जो नेचर से जुड़ी हुई चीजें होती हैं उसको भी किया जाता है, जैसे अभी मैंने बताया, तो वो सारी चीजें कृषि करते हुए लोग कर सकते हैं। सेकेंडरी सेक्टर में क्या है, जहाँ बहुत सारे हमारे प्लांट लगे हुए हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, फैक्ट्रीज हैं, वहां पर हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का काम कर सकते हैं उसी रॉ मटेरियल को कंप्लीट गुड में चेंज करने के लिए, और वो कंप्लीट प्रोडक्ट जो है उसको बाजारों में पहुंचाने के लिए, मार्केट में सेल करने के लिए ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी की आवश्यकता होती है। सो मच मोर नीडेड इन टर्टियरी सेक्टर, बैंकिंग, अकाउंटिंग, हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन, इंश्योरेंस and transportation, marketing, networking, everything. Okay, will come under to tertiary sector. In economical activities, market activities and non-market activities also will come. Whatever market activities, means in market activities whatever things needed for supply, means place to place, shop to shop, and means each and every corner in this world. It means international and national marketing. Okay, and non-marketing activities, in this will come those activities which we are using for our consumption, means जो अपनी खपत के लिए whatever assets we have, means we are using those things, will come under to non-marketing activities. Means if we are producing things for our personal use, our family's use, those things will come under to non-marketing activities. Okay, working criteria divided means into men and women, men and women as the two wheels of the bike. Okay, bike will be means balanced if both wheels will work properly, but in society having some discrimination among men and women, means if men are doing same work, he will get means more salary than the women's. And in society it's we have seen that a lot of institutions as women's are paying very low salary, and its reason also, means women's having a lot of argues, a lot of means they have a lot of sufferings. So I think their work not proper, I think so government side it's not means running, but in private sectors much more women are suffering discrimination, means among the men and women. Means if same work doing by the men, he is paying by his master more than the woman. Okay, so these co-partner having this type of differentiate in society, but it is not good. If men's also are doing, and women's have also responsibility of their mother, father and their children, maybe, but in society it is running, and women's having maybe less educated and very less hours for the working, so they are paying less than the men's. Okay, next one, quality of population. Next, quality of population. You know, whatever population in our country, if it have qualitative population, then country's condition will be better. Okay, quality population under to it will come, means peoples who are educated, healthy and having employment. Okay, means if person will be educated, then having ability and skillful talented peoples will do their best for the nation, and in this way our condition of our country will be increased. Okay, our production will be increased, and whatever means production, GDP, everything will be in increasing condition, growth will be held then. Okay, so qualitative persons very important for the developing the nation. And qualitative person when will be, when he will invest much more in education, healthcare and their professional training, and he will maintain his personality, everything, then that person will be qualitative. Okay, means formation of skill acquired a people for the country's welfare, and country will be means literate, literacy rate if will be increase of the country, then country will develop day by day. Okay, education, education is very important, it is the base of development. It is like a person means cannot be stand without backbone, as same a person cannot be grow without education. Education is very important for the nourishment, for the all round development of human beings. Okay, if anyone will be educated, then his family background also will be good, means all the systems he will arrange properly. And education is as the light, it will be means fill the life, means from the lightness, happiness and cheerfulness. So education is very important. If any country peoples having means 100% literary rate, literacy rate will be high, then that country will be developed. Okay, and if persons much more means invest, for example, if we will take any family, if any family member having care much more about education, and he is spending much more on means their children's education, then those children's will be as asset of their family, after that their society, and then their nation. They will develop day by day, and their nation also will be developed that time. Okay, so education, for the education, government have done a lot of means role he have also playing nowadays. A lot of like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan in 2010 provides the all facilities, means children of till 14 age, 14 age group, means their free education providing by the government, and midday meal facility also available in the school. Means any person have no problem if he or she is sending their childrens in government school. मीन्स पहले क्या होता था हमारे यहाँ इन इंडिया हैविंग पुअर पर्सन्स मच मोर, तो यहाँ पे केवल 30% फैमिली के लोग ही पढ़ने जाते थे। लेकिन सर्व शिक्षा अभियान के माध्यम से एंड a lot of plans launched by government, so peoples are getting their profit, and they are also being beneficial मीन्स इफ दे आर सेंडिंग दियर चिल्ड्रंस देयर ऑन दैट स्कूल, वहाँ पे फ्रूट्स की भी व्यवस्था है, उनके चिल्ड्रंस के नरिशमेंट पे भी ध्यान दिया जाता है, एंड बुक्स एंड बैग्स, शूज, ड्रेस, मिड डे मील, एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल इन द स्कूल. So means for the education, if education sector will be strong, then that nation also will be strong. Next one is health. Health is wealth. Means the health condition of our country is also improving day by day. A lot of persons having knowledge about the small family. If our family will be small, then means parents will be able to nourish their children well. Okay. And in health sector, a lot of diseases, means people's got about its over their richness, because due to scientific increasement. Okay. A lot of vaccines came in our country, means a lot of diseases we can fight well. And in our country health condition also be better because due to our natural environment. And in our country, if peoples will be healthy, then they will do their best, and overall development will be held. Okay. Means accessibility of healthcare is also increasing day by day. The family welfare, a lot of plans, and a lot of nutritional services, especially for the underprivileged segments of the population, is running in our country. And for the health, government have launched the food policy also. So people's having, means getting proper food, they are surviving well. In this way our country's condition will be better. Next one is unemployment. Unemployment is like a disease in our country. Due to overpopulation, people's much more, means gathering, and I we can say wandering here and there in the search of job. And which people's having no job, means it's we cannot say properly, because in primary sector people's, means along ago engaged much more, but due to modern farming method, a lot of tools, machines, harvesting machines, cultivators used in farming, so a lot of landless farmers become unemployed. In rural area and urban area, both having a lot of unemployed persons. In rural area there were seasonal unemployed persons. मीन्स अगर खेती में उनके पास काम है तो सीजन्स में है, लाइक रबी क्रॉप सीजन, खरीफ क्रॉप सीजन. मीन्स इन रेस्टिंग टाइम they have no work in the field. Means when after sowing the seeds and after cultivation, they have no work till harvesting time. So they were also wandering here and there on that time. Means that time when they have no work, so peoples are also migrating city side, and urban areas having also, means crowded, having much more population, and government unable to sustain that persons who were collected there. And urban areas having this type of employment, means people's forced for working on low wages. Even they were unable to sustain their family, but they were pressurized for the working on that low wage due to overpopulation in urban areas also. Okay. मीन्स वहां पे जब इतनी ज्यादा भीड़ हो गई है, लोग इतने ज्यादा हो गए हैं, पॉपुलेशन इतना हो गया है कि लोग लो वेज पे वर्क करने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं. इससे उनकी फैमिली ठीक से चल भी नहीं पाती है. ओके. इन दिस वे in primary sector and secondary sector, a lot of jobs, a lot of you know a lot of job opportunities taken the place tools and machines. You can say the increasement of science and technology having taken much more peoples become unemployed. Okay. But New sector of jobs also appearing day by day. IT, banking, accounting, and technology, information technology. A lot of works also being appear day by day. Okay, but it's needed much more talented persons, skillful persons, and healthy persons. Okay, so as the sum up of this chapter, people as resource means people also, if having talent, knowledge, skill, having well educated, and healthy, then that person is an asset of the country, and he will means give his best contribution for the welfare of their country. And country like Japan, like all the developed countries who have invested much more on their human resource, means in their education, health care, then that country become developed first. But our country is also in running condition, or means on the way of development. Means our country is also as known as developing countries. And if all the peoples will be aware and they will also think like those countries, then our condition also will be better. Okay, thanks.